Hey friends, who's hungry? This old-fashioned Southern peach cobbler recipe is just like Grandma used to make. Melt half a cup of unsalted butter in an 8x8 casserole dish in a 350-degree oven for 5 to 7 minutes. In the meantime, combine 4 cups of sliced peaches with 1 cup of sugar in a medium mixing bowl and set aside. In a separate bowl, blend 1 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 cup of milk, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Pour the batter over the melted butter and do not stir. Then pour the peaches over the flour and again, do not stir. Bake the cobbler for 1 hour in a 350-degree oven until the crust has risen to the top and is golden brown. Serve the cobbler warm with vanilla ice cream. Follow me for more Southern recipes.